Hello everyone, this is an experimental provisioning layer that transforms an ISA 95 style CSV model into Ignition runtime. Right now you can see the deployed model runtime state as if you wish. Right now you can see the topology map and its parent-child relationship with the yellow links on the bottom and yellow and green arrows with parent and child relation. Right now I'm gonna change the topology map parent-child relation just with one CSV. You can see the last deployed model in this screen, Phoenix deploy mode screen. This is the demo 1.1.3.2 and here is the manifest delta. It will only change this prot relay, and now it must change yes the STS01 on the topology map. You can see on the left side it changed its direction and also its graph position because the parent-child relationship, and now our deploy is done. We applied our delta mode situation, you can see here. Now let's try something different. Let's try the not from CSV but from the restore mode. As you can see, the table comes from deploy logs, and as you can see, manifest delta is not changing, but you can see the manifest CRC32 on the deploy 002. It's 2056 starting and 2056 starting. As you can see, it's identical and it's no op. It took just 3 seconds. Now let's wipe all the structure. Before wiping, let me show you the runtime UI, how it's behaving. This is the production restart that I did because there isn't any backup volume right now. I'm just simulating the disaster recovery situation. Now let's wipe the whole structure and come back again the same situation from the deployment traceability log. Now we wiped the whole structures. As you can see on the runtime UIs, runtime state is fresh deploy mode right now, so the UI is waiting for the state hydrated datas. Now let's restore the deploy 003. Manifest state is saying fresh deploy. If you would have a backup volume or a historian continuity backup database, then this will make this reconciliation 100%, maybe 100% of course. There's a chance for it, let me say that. Also, there will be some more tests about tag burst test, like 30,000 or 100,000 tags deploying. So you can check the description of this video. Now our restored model is coming back up again. It took 47 seconds. Let's check our whole plant here. This is a mesh aligned SCADA capable foundation provisioning layer on Ignition perspective.